Hello everyone, this is Jay and it's DCA Friday, so I'm going to review my portfolio to see which stocks I'm going to be buying today as a DCA investor. And as you guys remember, last week I did not get a chance to make my purchases on Friday, so I have about $90 right now from last week. I did make my $30 buy on FXAIX on the weekly challenge on Monday, which I'm going to show you in a minute. And then this week I'm going to deposit about $100, $110 so I can make my purchases, but I gotta save about $25, $30 for my FXAIX purchase on Monday. So if we go into my portfolio, I'm gonna have about $160, $150 for buys this week. And as you can see, my portfolio is right now at $18,400, $2,400 in the green, 15% in performance in the positive. And I have about 3 positions in the red right now, which is all realty income. It's almost a 1/4% in the red. So it's around my cost per share right now. It's at $57.39. My cost per share is at $57.54. So if it stays around that price, I'm probably going to put like a $5 to $10 into it today. Johnson & Johnson is one that I'm going to be buying a little bit heavier. It's at $155 in share price right now, and my cost per share is $157. I like to buy Johnson & Johnson under $160, so I'm going to try to grow that position a little bit more. And then Pfizer is the other one that I've been putting like about $10 every week since I'm still in the red. I'm still trying to bring down my cost. The yield is high on this position right now, or on this stock right here. Right now my yield on cost is at 5.31%, but it's even higher right now when I buy any shares or I put any money on it, because the share price is at $25.13. I have 20.7 shares right now of Pfizer, ticker symbol PFE. FXAIX, I've been buying about $30 on the weekly challenge, which is awesome. It's helping me build that position right now. And my total cost basis, I have almost $1,000 invested in this S&P 500 index fund, 5.6 shares. And if we go into my weekly challenge sheet, you can see that I did make the purchase on November 18, $30, and the purchase was made at $204.99. This is an index fund. So what it does is when I put the $30, it buys at the end of the day after closing hours. That's how index funds usually work. If it was an ETF, I can make it like right on time, right at the time of the purchase. I'm able to buy any shares or make any fractional purchase on it. And if we go back into my dividend portfolio, of course, I'm going to be buying 2 shares today, though, of SCHD. That's what I'm going to be buying today because I did not make up my weekly SCHD purchase last week, which is I'm trying to do 1 share every week of SCHD. So right now I'm going to buy 2 shares today of SCHD. So that's going to bring me up to 157 total shares, as you guys can see right here. And I am 15% in the green in this position. Almost $4,000. I probably crossed the $4,000 invested in this ETF today, actually. Because right now my total cost basis is at $3,946. If I buy 2 shares at $28.98 or $29, it's gonna be almost $60. So it should be about it should be over $4,000 invested in this ETF. It's like my favorite ETF right now at the moment. And of course, I'm going to buy a little bit of VYM, and then I'll see what else, if I can buy a little bit of anything else. But my heavier purchases are going to be SCHD and Johnson & Johnson. This is another one that I really want to continue growing. And if I open my full portfolio, one position that I do want to buy today is going to be Google. Ticker symbol GOOGL. There was some news that make the market go down like about 4 or 5% in the day. As you guys can see right here in the stock analysis tab, the DOJ is pretty much gonna sue Apple or sue Google. Sorry, they're pretty much trying to have Google sell Google Chrome. So which I do not think is going to happen. Now with this news, right now coming up. I am going to take advantage of the dip. I've been wanting to buy some more Google, so I'm gonna see how the price performs tomorrow, and if it goes like around 165 or even at 167, I think I am going to be buying some more. I have $181 right now in my growth portfolio. I'm gonna deposit another 20 bucks tomorrow, so I'm thinking about putting like $60 into Google or something like that. What do you guys think? Are you guys buying Google right now? This is a strong buy right now. Market cap $2.10 trillion for this company. Earnings per share 7.53. PE ratio is at 22.25 right now. The dividend is a 0.48%. So 80 cents a year you get for every share that you buy from Google. But if we take a look at the 1 year chart, they're up. Google is up 23%. But right now it's on a nice dip. I liked when it was like around this price in the 140s and 150s. I did make a couple purchases when it was around that price, but they were much smaller because I was just depositing. I only deposited about 20 bucks in my growth portfolio. So that's why I was making smaller purchases. But right now, I'm going to try to take advantage of this dip based on the DOJ news right now, going on right now. So let me know in the comment section if you're also buying Google. And one position that I was kind of contemplating, or I was thinking about selling, honestly, it was Tesla, because right now it's a 64% gains. I only have 1.2 shares. The share price is at $339. I think Tesla is right now very, very overvalued, even though my plan is to hold about 5 years on it. But I just have so little that I'm like, should I just take the gains and maybe move on and move it on somewhere else? And then if Tesla takes another dip, like a big dip, buy into it again. But I'm still thinking about it. I'm sorry, I touched the mouse. Very sensitive mouse. So I'm 64% in the green right now, $168 in the green. So I was really thinking about it, taking some gains on it, and then just hold the cash. I've been holding cash too. I'm trying to see if I can find a nice opportunity. I'm also taking a look and keeping an eye on BKRB, Berkshire stock, pretty much. BRKB, I think it is. Yeah, right here. BRKB, I'm sorry. Right now, it is at $472. This is one company that I would like to add into my portfolio, but it just continues to go up. It's 30% in the last year in performance. I would like to really add this position to my growth portfolio. But as of right now, I'm going to continue to hold Tesla unless I change my mind. Just seriously thinking about it. I just think it's very overvalued right now. Even though I believe in Tesla long term, with their cars, the new models, the robots, the services that they're gonna have in the future. I just think so many things are gonna go right for Tesla. I'm not sure if I'm right or I'm wrong, but it's one position that I was thinking on selling, and then maybe getting to it again later on, because I do want to hold Tesla. And then other than that, I don't think I'm going to be adding any Amazon anytime soon. It is right now $198. I don't think I'm going to add any Amazon yet. I do want to grow this position some more. I only have almost one share. So it is one position that I do need to grow it. But it's still a little bit out of the price that I want to buy some more at. The full portfolio right now is at $20,400, as you guys can see right here. 16% in the green between both portfolios, the growth and the dividend portfolio. So those are going to be the buys that I'm going to be making today. Let me know in the comment section, what are you buying today? If you're buying today as a DCA investor also, and what is your plan? I know some of you guys have been also buying like about one share every week of SCHD, which is awesome. And just let me know. Leave it in the comment section. All right, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you on the next one Sunday. I'll give you an update on everything that I buy today. Thank you. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only. Please do your due diligence and research before investing in the stock market. Thank you.